Barney and Baby Bop go to the library. Baby Bop is so excited. Barney is returning some library books, and he has invited her to come along. "Oh, goody!" says Baby Bop. "I've always wanted to go to the library."
"This is Mrs. Turner, the librarian,"
says Barney.
"A librarian is a person who helps people and dinosaurs at the library."
"Welcome, Baby Bop," smiles Mrs. Turner. "The library is a very special place for boys and girls. We have lots of wonderful books that you can check out and take home to read."
"We return the books we borrow from the library after we finish reading them,"
explains Barney.
"Then everyone can share them."
"I can't wait to check out a book," says Baby Bop excitedly. "You need a library card like this to take books home, Baby Bop," explains Mrs. Turner.
"My card is dino size,"
chuckles Barney. "Look at all these books!" shouts Baby Bop. Barney's friend, Booker T. Bookworm, gently hushes Baby Bop. "Shh! We always whisper in the library, Baby Bop, so we don't disturb people who are reading."
"We need to use our quiet indoor voices,"
adds Barney. "There are lots of books about people, places, and animals here at the library," explains Mrs. Turner.
"Books help us use our imaginations,"
adds Barney. "Here's a book you'll like, Baby Bop," notes Booker T. Bookworm. Baby Bop giggles. "You shouldn't talk with your mouth full, Booker T." Mrs. Turner shows Baby Bop that there are lots of things to do at the library. "Sometimes children have fun making pictures," says the librarian. "Or they might enjoy a puppet show," adds Mrs. Turner. "Today we have a special story time about a favorite book," says Mrs. Turner.
"Look, Baby Bop, here's our friend, Stella the storyteller,"
exclaims Barney. "Isn't the library wonderful, Baby Bop?" asks Stella the storyteller. "There are more good stories here than I could ever tell." "But which book should I pick?" sighs Baby Bop. "There are so many books to choose from." "Don't worry," explains Mrs. Turner. "You can take home more than one book." "Goody, goody!" exclaims Baby Bop. "If I check out all these books, will my library card grow to be as big as yours, Barney?"
"No,"
answers Barney with a chuckle.
"but your imagination will."
"Goodbye, Baby Bop," calls Mrs. Turner. "I hope to see you soon." "Oh, you will," says Baby Bop. "I'll check out books and bring them back again and again and again."